Hello friends! Today I'm sharing with you 3 new Mexican-inspired printable kits by Tu Casa de Papel. Arrange these printables to create stunning pages in your junk journal. Whether you're a seasoned journaling enthusiast or just starting out, these decorative pages will ignite your imagination and transport you to the colorful culture of Mexico. The elements on each page are crafted to give your junk journal a unique and authentic Mexican flair. Amorcito Corazon journal pages and ephemera kit are inspired by Mexican vintage calendar art. One of the most iconic elements is the depiction of women who are portrayed as elegant, strong, and sensuous figures. They often wear traditional attire, adorned with vibrant patterns and accompanied by flowers. These calendar artworks were mass-produced, often given away for free by businesses such as mechanics and general stores, making the calendars prominently displayed in homes as decorative pieces and functional tools. The themes often revolve around Mexican traditions and everyday life, celebrating national pride and identity. And now they will form a part of your decorative journal to tell your unique story. Friends, if you have any stories to share of these calendars as part of your life, as arts that adorned your homes growing up, that you got as free gifts from your local bakery shop like I did, please share in the comments below. Pensamientos is the third printable kit. Designed with authentic vintage Spanish ledgers, these serve as decorative writing journal pages. They have neutral colors to give you the freedom of collaging and embellishing with your personal ephemera, and they have just the right amount of pops of colors featuring Mexican floral embroidery designs. Print these kits on high-quality paper or use them digitally to embellish your journal pages, scrapbooks, cards, and more. The versatility of these printables allows you to explore various creative projects while infusing a touch of Mexican charm. Purchasing these 3 printables gets you a 4th printable kit in my shop for free. Use code 4THFREE at checkout. And elevate your junk journaling experience with authentic Mexican junk journal printables. Let the colors, patterns, and traditions of Mexico inspire your creativity. Please subscribe to my channel for my next crafty video using these gorgeous printables. Like this video and leave a comment sharing your stories on this form of art. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Till next time, bye.